Welcome to Giggle Grove, kids. We're gonna learn all the colors around us. Orange is the color of oranges, goldfish, and campfires. Yellow is the color of the sun, bananas, and ducklings.
Red is the color of an apple, a fire truck, and a pretty rose.
Green is for grass, frogs, cucumbers, and leaves.
Blue is the color of the sky, ocean, and a bluebird. Purple is for grapes, unicorns, and royal crowns. Pink is the color of cotton candy, flamingos, and cupcakes. Black is the color of cats, the night sky.
White is for snow, bunnies, and fresh milk.
Brown is for teddy bears, chocolate, and tree trunks.
All the colors together make a beautiful rainbow. Red and orange, yellow to green, green and blue and purple too. It's calm like the sky, clouds and balloons.
Dark green is for jungles, snakes, and backpacks.
Gold shines like a trophy, coins and stars.
Silver is the color of spoons, glitter, and robots.
Can you name these colors? Say it out loud. Let's match the color to its object more. You can do it. Let's match the color to its object more. You can do it.
Colors are all around us in nature. Just look outside. Red and yellow mix together to make, orange. Blue and yellow together make green.
Mix and match and paint the town. Colors make the world go round.
Do you remember all the colors we learned? Let's see.
Let's dance with all the colors. Spin and shout your favorite. Mix and match and paint the town. Colors make the world go round.
Lime green is fresh and fun like limes and slime. Maroon is a deep red color like grapes and sweaters. Beige is soft and warm like sand and teddy bears. Turquoise is the color of oceans, gems, and sea turtles.
Violet is a mix of blue and purple, like flowers and dresses.
Indigo is deep like the sky, a scarf, or a magic book.
You can spot colors right at home. Look around you.
Clothes come in every color. What's your favorite to wear?
It's a hat parade with all the colors we love. Red, yellow, green, may dance and freeze with me.
Let's paint with every color. What would you draw?
Fruits and veggies come in every color. Eat the rainbow.
Where are the yellow things? Say them with me.
Can you find everything that's red? Let's go!
You did it! Now you know your colors. Hooray!